Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren says BJP will secure around 40 seats in upcoming state assembly election, provided party continues to work sincerely and win public trust. MPCC President Gai Khangam says inefficient functioning of BJP-led state government is leading to constitutional crisis in Manipur. Kurai MLA Leshangthem Sushindro Elias Yaima contemplates about resigning from MLA post on Monday. Locals of Kurai stir up against the proposed resignation. Drug peddler threatens members of Keragaon Mamang Lekai Muslim Chanura Development Organization at knife point. Police fails to take necessary actions. And all Manipur selected candidates for Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch demands appointment letters by July 8. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren asserted that BJP will secure around 40 seats in the upcoming state assembly election of 2022, provided that the BJP-led government and BJP members continue to work honestly without breaking the trust of the people. He termed the current political conflicts over leadership posts among the BJP leaders of the state as mere internal conflicts like that of a small family quarrel. Assuring that the public will not suffer from the crisis, Biren asserted that the state is more important than him. Chief Minister Biren was speaking at the launch of BJP's nationwide membership drive 2019 at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS today. He urged all BJP MLAs to start the membership drive in their respective constituencies. National President of BJP ST Morcha Ramvichar Netam was present on the occasion.
State na marui, nation na marui akoi dadi, praja na marui akoi na ludi. Ayamagi da mukta state mangan bayaro, ayamagi da mukta country mangan bayaro, ayamagi da mukta praja mangan bayaro. Madugi portal da akoi thabak dominagani, tausu dominari, akoi ki party ki da lairiba mayam se, akoi tasan ba punjan mama, akoi puna maksa matani haiba masangi, akoi hujik sigi membership drive siga kona Manipur da Marataraba, amno Luna Marataraba BJP ki adugumba structure ma hana lairiba sigi matak hena kan siam ngam ngani habi thajaba akoi da lai Prime Minister Modi ji ki sabke saath sabke vikas aur sabke vishwas sigi ahum ji mangdana sigi ahum ji da koi ilaga satsi.
Speaking on the sidelines, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh cum Rajya Sabha MP Khetremeyum Babananda refuted all the allegations against him regarding misappropriation of funds under MP Local Area Development Scheme. Babananda asserted that he will present a worksheet of all the undertakings under the scheme soon after completion of the ongoing parliament session. He maintained that efforts will be made to deny party tickets during election to those candidates who misappropriate funds under MLA and MP local areas development schemes.
MP led chairman very well has but just team is a among the Toribe sing Matanga, among the Agi defamation, we river Facebook the Kari Natisha the language, among the season there get Matanga in a parliamenta, release Lokopia Abigi can of the teams Tazagre. Parliamentary teams like the husband and Tarapani. MP led Matang says a queer suggestion, Piro on Handikis later money. I was a cook the paragraph later money. Adu haji pok MP amagi mathok dere bisi akoi recommending authority akoi tabjigi ba policy ge thabak pipi ho haibadu kaktani adugi matung da akoi dai tam tali sai DC duna engineer duna bai togi ba ngaktani adugo haji dai na suggestion bizar ne ba aina haina ni kai ko masi ge poti success ohen je haira ga di he hobodi ge lobo MP se de loina ma dai de pipi ho na madugi liabilities MP de pipi ho madugi sobi dan di MP de pipi ho haira ga di akoi de kitang madugi kano dum.
President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Gai Khangam, has stated that inefficient functioning of the BJP-led state government has led to constitutional crisis in Manipur. He was speaking to media today on the sidelines of an assistance distribution program organized by MPCC, where financial assistance and certificates of appreciation were distributed to 3 retired individuals who used to work for the party. The 3 individuals are former Permanent Secretary of MPCC Sanasam Koireng from Uchekon Takhok Mapal, former drivers of MPCC G. Suresh from Wangkai Tokpam Laikai, and Pukrambam Modhu Chandra from Khurai Puthiba Laikai. Gai Khangam presented the assistance as a token of appreciation for their dedicated service rendered to the party. The MPCC president condemns the BJP MLAs and ministers for failing to work as per the interests of the public. He appeals to end the leadership crisis at the earliest.
There is no semblance of administration. Governance is a semblance. Later, we don't talk. Administration it is total chaos. Masi Puramaksa Tivani, Piltoni, Sigumba, Lurwa, Sidva Tanjasida, Minister Moina, Emilia Moina, Todang, Sibu, Natain Tamakanda, Kautopadona Torakanda, Masama Saki, or General Pam Tanamida Mactadona, Taurimus, Tobigano, Imu Manungi, Wani, Hyrabasu, Jumda, Mishimina Toxalaba, Iran Toxalaba, May Poklang, Poklaks and Taradi, Lekaina, Kuna, 2 minute labor, Yada Bugumna, Prasasing a 2 minute labor, Warak Patanjado, Ore, Sigamal situation Lapakanti, Honorable Governor, Central Government, I mean the Governor, attention for Droton in Hajibu. I assume 2 minutes later.
Khurai MLA Leshangthem Sushindro Elias Yaima is contemplating about giving his resignation from MLA post on Monday after taking a firm decision tomorrow. The MLA was speaking in a public meet held in connection with the recent bomb explosion in the neighboring areas of his residence in Khurai. The meeting was jointly organized by coordinating body Khurai Apunba Nupi Lup Khurai and Lamlong Kaitel Pambi Apunba Nupi Lup. MLA Sushindro stated that there are many people in Khurai constituency who don't own paddy lands and hence benefits provided under NAFSA is crucial for them. He expressed disappointment that despite all his best efforts to provide the benefits under NAFSA to beneficiaries, the concerned minister pays no heed till date. Condemning the recent bomb blast, he offered to resign from his post if people or any organizations in Khurai constituency have other promising candidates in their mind.
Pangoidava meeting the Sing Mayam Pangame, Pangado me the Ching Pangamdev, Ado Handa Aigi Matamda, Loino Semtore, Miami Daitama or Bugi, Pawani, Lawani, Miami Daitor, the Dage Lauromo, according to Juji, but change to Wali, Madam de Moy transporters in Na, Kurai on the Tinbidakaba, Ching Wana, according to Pangbazina Maramogan, Miami over Tabakto, Hoidabo, Sumatoni Hagade, Karamba Miami over Tabakto, Mitolokadonova, Sumatori, Madam Sa, Masidi Tobigano, MLA, 2 has to talk, although Sumagi system that was the अखोई लेमिनरी पर प्रजा सिंगी मरकता अखोई नुंगाई नदब हेना थोलकनी मयाम पुरमंग चंगचन बिरब खोंजंग असे यामना लाइब फवनी तबुदबो आई इसागी ओइनदी आई स्टेन अमा आई हयेंबोकी मनुंगदा अखोई स्टेन अमा लौरनी अदुगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली निंथौगाब नमितदी सोइना रिजाइनेशन सबमिट तौरनी फंगोइदब मीसिंग
People who took part in the public meet protested against the proposed resignation declared by MLA of Khurai constituency. They blocked roads, chanting various slogans in Lamlong market area today. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Khurai constituency BJP Mahila Thokpam Chauba stated that the MLA attended the meeting after persistent requests by the locals. Chauba asserted that the public stirred up as soon as the MLA announced his desire to resign from his post. He maintained that residents of Khurai will unite in support of the local MLA.
Public meeting public meeting MLA Sisu Tolaga Magi Penda Hibirula organizing committees in Maka invite Maka Opani, Madame Dudangan bomb blast of Madame Weraga, MLA Sina, Ing a Sitagi, I resigned only Hibari Portama, public that members here, Masiam Pende, Koyam and White, Aduna Queen as Hizari was here, my resigned away Krabas and Yaragas Hagakiba Quaganoni, Akogi candidate, Manguna Tolaka Nung da kuna mak ako'y nga saigi महिला मंडल की साइड की लोइना पब्लिक का लोइना अखोइना मंगोंदा चावरकदबा दोसा पुना मंगना हाइबदी मंगोंदा तौरकदा पोरकुदमा अखोइना ngaकनी अखोइना थेंगनगनी हाइबसे मसी खुराई परजा अमोइना मीडिया की थोंदा आइना फोंदोकसरी
Proscribed Kanglei Park Communist Party Military Council in a press release lambasted the recurrent internal conflicts of Manipur People's Party MPP, which is the oldest regional party of Manipur, claiming that former MPP member SK Maimom from Uripok and leader of another MPP group El Apabi from Kurai have submitted complaints against one another to the outfit. KCP asserted that it will bring a resolution to end the ongoing conflicts of MPP within 1 week. Meanwhile, General Secretary Administration of MPP El Sanjoy of Manipur People's Party group led by MPP President El Apabi appeals to all the proscribed groups not to interfere in the issues facing the oldest regional party of the state. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, El Sanjoy alleged that the MPP, which has been taking major roles in resolving various issues of the state, is degrading due to the self-proclaimed MPP President O Jugindro and his followers. He claimed that some senior members of the party were even thrown out of the party for standing against O Jugindro. El Sanjoy stated that the issue cannot be solved due to interference by proscribed groups. He further demanded the concerned proscribed group to clarify on the affidavit filed by O Jugindro in the court regarding demand for money by a proscribed group.
Party is tang tava, film amada like the party manungi internet dispute, internet crisis, Mayamasu Laiba, Machina Maramuduna, a Pegi regional political party, Marai Chaitarakwa, a Sigi Maramda, Hariba Pegi, La Robone, heavy debation now Singasina, regional political parties, this is the good thing in Birapa, Amadi Pashagi demand, the Singamayanto Birapasi, a quick Topinava, Apple Tojabani.
Members of all Manipur selected candidates for Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch staged a protest demonstration in demand for their appointment letters today. Taking part in the protest meet held at Kashampat, Lemajam Lekai, Lam Siamlian stated that result of the 2013 batch was declared on December 22 last year. Stressing on their plights, he urged the government to issue appointment orders for the selected candidates by July 8, failing which he warned that the batch will carry out intense agitations along national highways starting July 10.
Manipur Police Constable 2013 dagi 2019 phawbada hojik phaw kari amta process appointment order se pb derba taradi ekhoi dei phaw matam pigani ekhoi ipaipu government paiba singda dei phaw matam pigani adu matung da date adu phaw da appointment order tholak terba tarabadi ekhoi date 10 asida ekhoi national highway ni sida khongjang changsilgani haina ekhoi mayamna lipnare.
Farmers of Moirang condemned Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren for inclining to announce drought situation instead of actually initiating measures to curb water crisis facing the farmers due to scanty rainfall. They raised the grievances on the sidelines of inspection visit at works initiated by Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra and the Water Resources Department to provide water from low canals of Loktak irrigation. Meanwhile, AE of Water Resources Department, Bishnupur Division K. Tomba asserted that I beg your pardon. A transformer is being utilized to supply water from the main canal and low canal of Loktak irrigation. He stated that if another transformer is provided at the earliest, as assured by Chief Minister N. Biren, it will greatly facilitate the irrigation process.
Mathakta leheruba lau yamaba masing sidi high level kelengi asina phelo benina mai pak po wagani lau kharadi tangkhai na te sidi masungumani tangkhai di ayama sarukti aw kenen gi mathakta lone laikre laudi
akoina pamjabadi barabar ising thabiba sahi khuding haibagi natana barabar ising tharaga sahi matam khradi damang ko pi tawraga khoi hingnana bagi namakta di sembi yo haidana Manipur sarkar da su nonglokna hajari
Moirang high level gi matang di Moirang high level je he hobdi commission tawramdre masi gi jo koi kanu DPR sab loire aru pam anobu install tawguni transformer install tawguni aluga asina mathang chahida lakadu mali khoi gi transformer sida ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯣꯔꯃꯔ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯝ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯃꯤꯜꯇꯦꯅꯤꯌꯁ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯈꯔꯝ ꯊꯥ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯈꯔꯝ ꯊꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ.
Nongpok Imphal Lomi Shinmi Apunba Loop has appealed to the relevant department to distribute water pumps to farmers to facilitate cultivation in the wake of scanty rainfall. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, Loop President Huining Shungbam Ibohalbi urged the department officials to provide water pumps for paddy fields located near water sources. He also expressed discontentment that government provides subsidized fertilizers only to those farmers who have land patta.
Sarkarna Paikaliba, Isingi Pam Piriba, Asi, Akoi, Lami Singa Pamjabadi, Ising Laiba, Swos Laiba, Mapamda, Pam Pianing Bagia Pamalay, Aduga, Opista Pambiriba, Sinauncing Aduna, Mapam the Salaga, Lami Sing Unaraga, Isingis was Adu Yangaga, Pam Sing Adu Pibiu, Hargi Matang the Su, Sarkarna Pibiriba, Patada, Harpi Basi, CD Yam Naikoju, Pata, Pibasingi Damakti, Tagasari Aduga, Pata Paidaba, Low Salaguba, Tenan Lomi Hana Kangaba, Sigina, Karamba, System to Wigadorino, Karamba Matandegi Harpi, Wigadorino. Agriculture Department
Proscribed RPF-PLA in a press release clarified that members of RPF-PLA, Maibam Kiamba and Thaudam Prem, arrested by Imphal East Police Commando in connection with yesterday's bomb blast at a godown in Khabam Lamkhai, have no connection with the incident. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on audition for 17th edition of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019 and 10th edition of Ghana Men Mega Mr. Northeast 2019. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Auditions to select contestants for representing Manipur in the 17th edition of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019 and the 10th edition of Garnier Men Mega Mr. Northeast 2019 organized by Mega Entertainment Guwahati was held at Hotel Bhaigo in Kashampat today. The beauty pageant will be held in August at Guwahati. Speaking on the sidelines, State Director of Mega Entertainment Guwahati, Kavita Kaisham, stated that 3 to 5 contestants will be selected from the audition to compete in Garnier Men Mega Mr. Northeast 2019, sponsored by Garnier, to be held on August 8, and Mega Miss Northeast 2019, sponsored by Sunsilk, to be held in August 9.
Northeast की दुगम लबा beauty pageant तमने को Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019 है ना मसे Sunsilk ने sponsor तो बादुम बा the biggest pageant of the Northeast ने ngasi तक जगह तो रिप्स नमस की audition ने Northeast की दुगम लबा beauty pageant तमने को.
Members of Khergaon Mamang Lekai Muslim Chanura Development Organization have criticized that lack of timely action by police hindered people and organizations who are striving to curb the menace of drug abuse. Speaking to media at the residence of Ward No. 4 member Yumkhaibam Thoibi in Khergaon Makhalekai today, Organization Secretary Aribam Thoibi Sana stated that the organization has been spearheading movement against drug abuse in areas under the ward. She maintained that those drug abusers picked by the members of the organization were given proper counseling and even directed some to rehabilitation centers, claiming that one alleged drug peddler named Yumkhaibam Samir from Khergaon Mamang Lekai threatened members of the organization at knife point. Thoibi Sana condemned that the relevant police station fails to take necessary actions despite filing a complaint. It may be mentioned that one drug abuser picked up by women members of Khergaon Mamang Lekai Muslim Chanura Development Organization fled into the house of the alleged drug peddler Yumkhaibam Samir in Khergaon Makhalekai this afternoon. The organization members were reportedly confronted by Samir with a knife.
Samir bangang sina aikoi da dhap tawi ki halle tasengna aikoi na
पुलिस की माइकैदा हाइनिंगबदी पुलिस की इचासिंगा अखोइगा फमिनरगा मखोइगी अयाबा याउरगा मखोइगी थाजबा थम्मगा ngasi अखोइना थाबक मयाम छि तौबनी हाइरिबा अंगांग सिगे अखोइ रिपोर्ट पीदबा नते पीखरे पुलिस ओइरिबा इचा इशु इनाउ सिंगसिना अंगांग सिबु ngasi फौ फाबिबा ngamde फाबिबा लाक्तबनिना माना अखोइगी खुदोंसाबा मांगहल्ली फाबा पुनबा मतमदा अयेतपा पी मा मसामना संगसलागा अखोइदा फौ खुदोम बि थिलगा वांगांग ngame असुम्बा तौरिबा अखोइदा अरानबा मीना नमहतकनी हाइबदा करमबा इंडिया गवर्नमेंट की मीना नो मदुदा माबु किबिदिसी पुलिस सिंगना माबु किरगा फादबई मरमला नत्रगना महक फारुरबदा करी अकाइबा लैगनेना खनबिबगी फाबिदबनो नत्रगा इसा सिंगसिना पुलिस सिंगसिना अखोइगी इतुंगदा लेपीबा तारगदी अखोइ ngasisu thabak tawni tung koina su tawjakhini karigumba lepiroidaba taradi अखोइ नि साचिंगबसी ngasidagi to haibra.
A commando quick reaction team seized 16 N10 tablet strips from 3 miscreants during a search operation near Moijing hillside in Thoubal district yesterday. The miscreants are identified as 24-year-old MD Warish, son of MD Rahim, 25-year-old MD Amzad, son of late MD Tomba, and 20-year-old Abdul Sahid, son of MD Abdul Rahim from Lilong Turel Ahanbi Mathak. The arrested persons and the confiscated drugs were handed over to Thoubal police station for further investigation. Thoubal commando team also apprehended an individual in possession of various illegal tobacco products during a search operation at Moirangpalli. The arrested person is identified as 44-year-old Kundrakpam Shamkanhai, son of late K.H. Angov from Khangabok Kunau Cherapur, Part 3. He has been handed over to Thoubal police station along with the confiscated items for further interrogation. A fire mishap occurred at More Wards number 7 last midnight. The fire engulfed a house belonging to one KSC Ramanujan completely. Local residents pelted buckets of water to stop the fire from spreading further. Later, More Fire Service, Assam Rifles and More Police arrived and doused the fire. The fire is suspected to have started from an electric short circuit. There is no casualty, however, properties worth around 5 lakh rupees were gutted down by the fire. The Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, in collaboration with Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, JNIMS, held a blood donation camp in the hospital today. Doctors of the department donated blood in the camp. Speaking on the sidelines, Medical Superintendent of JNIMS, Professor N. Jitendra, lauded the doctors for their selfless act. He also appeals to the public to donate blood to save lives.
मसी गायनी की मरोइना अनाबसिंगी ई वालकपद पीननबनी हौजिसु गायनी की केस मोर देन 45 ब्लड यूनिट पीबा अदुगुम पेशेंट लई मतांग असिदा अइना मयामदा अपील तौजनिंगबदी डॉक्टर सिंगना नॉट ओनली मखोगी मपांगल मरौ सिंगना लायेंग मनतना मसागी चेलिबा ईदो डोनेट तौरगा अनाब कनबगी अदुगुम थौदांग अदु लौरी हैबसे हाके सेप थाजबनी मियामनसु डॉक्टर सिंगु mateंग पांबियो लोइना लोइना ई एसे अखोई थवाई हापगंबा थवाई कनबगंबा अदुगुम पोसक अदुनी ई डोनेट तौबियो.
Chongabi Development and Relief Organization, in association with Chief Medical Officer Imphal East, organized one-day free medical camp at Kongba Makha Chongabi today. 10 doctors checked up around 200 individuals and also provided free medicines during the camp. Saina Institute of Medical Science SIMS carried out cleanliness drive at Sapam Robindros Memorial, located at Awaching Chingmai of Nomai Ching today. The cleanliness drive was carried out ahead of Robin Hood's death anniversary on July 8. Taking part in the social service, SIMS Managing Director S. Kumar assured that SIMS will provide necessary medical assistance on the commemoration day of late Robin Hood, who lost his life during the People's Movement in demand for implementation of ILP system in the state in 2015.
लाकदुबा केएमसी की दमकता फ्री मेडिकल केएमसी द यावदुसे HIV टेस्ट अमा यावनी की डायबिटीज की अदगी ब्लड ग्रुप की अदुगा ग्रुप सिदा मखल त्रागा निपाल से एकोय फ्री ऑफ कोर्स तौबने होजि हाइबा मतम सिदा अदुदुना ngसाइगी लाइबा मियामनसु एकोयगी अवाबा लापा मतम द एकोयगी साइना इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस की केम ओइना खोइना साइन मुथेगा लाइबिरंगनी मर हाइबा जगह सिदा लापिरकांदा मखल खुदिमकी टेस्ट तरागा निपाल से साइना इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस की माइकैदगी फ्री ऑफ कोर्स ता एकोय फ्री द चेक तौजगनी.
The Governors Cup Taekwondo under All Manipur Taekwondo Association will kick off in the indoor hall of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Altogether, 439 players, including 138 girls from 16 Taekwondo units, are competing in the cup that will continue till July 10. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, will grace the opening ceremony of the championship. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren says BJP will secure around 40 seats in upcoming state assembly election provided party continues to work sincerely and win public trust. MPCC President Gaikangam says inefficient functioning of BJP-led state government is leading to constitutional crisis in Manipur. Korai MLA Leshang Them Sushin Roy Elias Yaima contemplates about resigning from MLA post on Monday. Locals of Korai stir up against the proposed resignation. Drug peddler threatens members of Kergaon Mamang Lekai Muslim Chanura Development Organization at knife point. Police fails to take necessary actions. And all Manipur selected candidates for Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch demands appointment letters by July 8.